So as you can see here guys, today on this video I share with you step by step free training. I know guys, lots of other gurus don't show you the real strategy. So that's why I share with you all of these tactics and secret strategy. You don't need to buy a course. Also in this video I share with you free traffic method, also paid traffic method, and finally how you can make $10,000 per month. But before that, if you new to on this channel, hey, my name is Mark. In this channel I teach people how to make money online and start your own online business so you can get more freedom to spend time with your kids or travel the world with just your laptop and internet connection. So if you interested on this, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Okay, so if you need any help or your problems about making money online, just search on FB I am Mark, go to page section, like my official Facebook page and just send me a message about your problems. I promise myself I will never be like the other gurus. They never respond to my message when I was getting started. So with that said, let's start this video. Welcome back guys, my name is Mark and today in this video I share with you Clickbank step-by-step training. If you think that is a free, that means on this video have no quality. I prove you guys you are wrong. The most important part is guys, you need to watch this video 2-3 times. Why guys? Because I think affiliate marketing is like a car engine. When you set all this part correctly, you can see the result guys. So what we are covering on this video, step by step free training guys, and you don't need to buy a course. I share with you free traffic method so you can make more money without spending paid advertisement guys, and how you can make a $10,000 per month. Alright guys, we are right now on Clickbank, and as you can see here guys, they have lots of categories or niches guys. First you need to do is guys, create an account on Clickbank. You can see here guys, on this form you choose your country, your first name, last name, your phone number, email address, passwords, and then guys your account is ready. The second thing we need to do is guys, find the right product. I mean guys, a high converting product. Let's say guys, this muscle building product MI14. Okay, you send 100 people on this landing page and maybe 3 or 5 people buy, you get your commission guys. So guys, how we are finding our high converting product? You click on just affiliate marketplace. As you can see here guys, we are right now on Clickbank affiliate marketplace, and as you can see here the categories, and right now I am choosing health and fitness. Just click on health and fitness. So guys, as we can see here guys, Lefty Talks has a huge commission. Our affiliate call this the best offer they promising. So as you can see here, sales $64, average per sale 48%, average level 1%, gravity. They have a great gravity score, but guys I think I need to find a high ticket product. So let's say you want to promote this Lefty Talks huge commission product. Just click on this product. As you can see here guys, this landing page is a great landing page guys, and I think the conversion ratio is high. Wait, do this simple 5-second water hack to lose 1 IV of fat every 72 hours. The exact same breakdown, 5-second water hack. When you guys click on this read the text version, the pop-up will show guys is submitting mail address. Okay, so guys, they are building their email list. That's mean guys, you have a chance to make your commission. So you can see here guys, you get $64 per sale. So let's say guys, how we can make money with this product. You need to do is guys, click on promote, and just guys, you need to do is account nickname. In this case, my account nickname is mmg7, and when you click on generate hop link, you need to do is guys, copy this link. Oh guys, another thing I need to share with you is guys, you can find a high converting product is guys, let's say you go on search bar and type in CB engine. So what you are getting on this website guys, you are getting on this website all of these Clickbank trending products you can find on this website. Okay, cbengine.com. okay, remember it. As you know guys, already getting our affiliate link, and lots of other gurus say guys, just copy your affiliate link and then you need to shorten your link with bit.ly. Guys, this is a wrong way. For example, let's say when you see just like a bit.ly link, you think this is a scam. That's the same thing guys, they also think. So you need to do is guys, first build their trust. So as we know guys, Google is the one of the trusted website in the world. Okay, so let's say we are using right now Google URL shortener. Google URL shortener. You can URL shortener, you can type URL shortener, or you can type link tracker. So guys, as you can see here is our affiliate link. You need to copy this link, and guys, how you can promote this product? You need to research about your audience. Let's say guys, this product is a weight loss product, and how you can find the right audience for this product. So that's why we need guys is traffic. So how we can get traffic for free? In this video I share with you two ways. Okay, YouTube SEO and free Facebook marketing. So let's say on YouTube you search how to lose weight. And guys, as you can see here guys, this 1 minute video is ranking first page on YouTube. So guys, this is a keyword, how to lose weight. When you click on space, you can see here guys, how to lose weight fast for teenagers in a week at home in Hindi, fast without exercise, 4 easy step. So you can see here guys, we already get our keywords, and then guys, you need to copy all these keywords. When you copy all these keywords, you need to do is guys, create a YouTube video just like this. Okay, and then guys, all this keyword phrase, you need to paste your keywords on your tag option, and then guys, publish your video. When you guys get lots of view, you can make lot of money. And guys, this is not a one-time money, this is a passive income. On the other side, Facebook free marketing is guys not a passive income. When you promote your product one time, you get one time commission, but YouTube SEO, you get lifetime commission. Okay, remember it. So we are doing right now free Facebook marketing. Just click on new search bar and click Facebook. Search on this. So guys, on this Lefty Talks product, how we can find the right audience on Facebook. Let's say you go on Facebook, and then guys, you need to do is click on the search bar and type in weight loss. And then guys, just click on this search bar. So guys, when you search weight loss on Facebook, you can see here guys all this other option. So guys, you need to do is just click on this group section. Why we are click on this group section? Because guys, group is the best way to promote your affiliate product on Facebook. Okay, so guys, when you click on this weight loss group section, you can see here guys, lots of groups about weight loss. And what you need to do, you need to check one thing, and that is how many posts they are posting every day. You need to join all these groups. When you promote weight loss product, you need to join all these weight loss groups. And when you promote other product, you need to do is guys same thing. Just find this category and search on Facebook. When you search on Facebook, you can find a lot of groups, and then guys, you need to do just join all these groups. Okay, so right now I am not joining on this group. What you need to do on these groups, you need to do is guys every single day or every week, you need to do is guys post lots of valuable content. So how you can find a valuable content? Let's say guys, you just need to do is search on Google how to lose weight. Boom, as you can see here guys, you need to do is guys copy the information and then guys upload this information on Facebook. No copyright guys. When you post valuable content every day, or let's say every week 3 or 4 times, their attention goes to you guys. When their attention goes to you, they probably friend request you. When they are sending a friend request to you, you need to do is guys just accept, and then guys just build a relation. Okay, when you build a relation, let's say this product, just paste your affiliate link. Boom, you can make your money guys. Another thing you can do is guys, on those groups every post like is maximum 100. You need to do is guys all those post likes or reacts, send them a friend request. When you do this guys, Facebook have a limited friends option, let's say 5,000. So you can use Facebook for your business. Let's say you create a one account specifically for weight loss, and then guys you send only those people who are interested in weight loss. And when they are interested in weight loss, they probably read your article, and when they read your article, they probably think, oh, this guy have a lot of information about weight loss. I think I need to question that. How can I lose my weight? Okay, boom guys, you get your sale, and you get also guys $64 per sale. So guys, that's the video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also guys check out this video where you can make a lot of money.